God, it's so good. So good.
So today in Quarantine Cooking with Danian Vreugd, we're gonna make spaghetti. First, we need all the ingredients. We have courgette, onion, chicken, spaghetti, the sauce, champignons, and paprika. Let's start it. So now we are going to cut all the vegetables. So then we cut it up. From side to side. So now we have cut up all the hard vegetables. So we're gonna put it in this pan. Don't forget to turn on the stove. So we're going to let this cook for a bit, and we are going to cut up champignons. Let's go. So for now we're done with the vegetables. First we need the big pot, like this one, a big pot. We're gonna fill it up with water, and then we put the spaghetti in. And make sure all the spaghetti is under water, because you don't want to burn it. Everything is under water. And then we'll put it on the stove. So while that's on the stove, we can bake the chicken as well. So we need another pan. And so we use this pan for it, and put in some olive oil, and then put it on the fire as well. So because I already have chicken fillet, we don't have to cut anything. We can just put it in and cook it. Here we go. So I don't know if you can hear me very well right now, but we're gonna do the chicken in here. From side to side. So now we're done with the chicken, and we are going to make the sauce. So now we're putting the sauce on the fire. So while we are finishing everything up, this is the perfect time to check out the Danian Vreugd Chooses playlist on Spotify. And then, because everything is ready, you can yell to your family, "Dinner is ready!" And in Dutch, it's not dinner is ready, it's aan tafel! Like that. So the sauce is ready. It was cooking, and you don't want really to have it cooking. Blah. And I just destroyed everything.
Side to side.